acid live on internet and you don't do anything. What are you watching? What is human rights? How relevant is that name even? Children are being raped, 8 years old, becoming pregnant. What is that? Children's rights are violated. At least for children's rights, why don't you watch that and do something about it? Children's, with the youth, 90% of the population in Uganda are bleeding. Most of them being children. We are not given education for lots of a long period of time. We are violated. Our rights are violated. What is the human rights watching? What is the human rights watching? What is it blinded by? Are they blinded by the regime? What is going on? What are you guys watching? Tortures in Uganda are tortures. In the whole of Africa, Uganda has the most occurring tortures. The regime is kidnapping people broad daylight and taking them in the drones and taking them to the self houses. Being tortured, people are bound by barbed wire, broad daylight on internet. What are you guys watching? If you're human rights watch, I think you're relevant. I think you're irrelevant because you're not doing anything at all. Everything is happening broad daylight. Everything is happening broad daylight. If you're really a human rights watch, do something, especially for the children of Uganda. We are bleeding. Soldiers are raping young kids. In fact, they are defiling young kids. Women's rights do not matter. Don't you see the women suffering, being raped, taken to self houses? Men can at least endure, but the women, the mothers of Uganda, our mothers, are being kidnapped in drugs. They are taken out.
Alexandria
Alexandria recently has been raped, tortured, sprinkled with acid, beaten up. Oh, Human Rights Watch, if you are really relevant.